Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Woo! For today's video, we are going to be watching Try Not to Laugh Outstation. And also, guys, if I tell you that this is the third time I am making this video, how exactly would you feel? The first time, guys, I made I made a video and then my phone stopped recording at 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and I did not know. And like my sister was even a guest artist, like she was having so much fun. I wish you guys saw that. Oh god. And then second time, few minutes ago, I was enjoying the video. I just said it. I remembered I was like at 8 minutes and I was like, oh wait, I should check if it's recording so it doesn't happen like the last time. Just to find out that while placing the camera, I had paused the video. Give me a minute, let me check again. Guys, I'm completely going through it, please. If you enjoyed this video, just like, comment, subscribe. Do everything to support me because I've been through so much today. Thank you guys. See, watch me take this backwards and I have to start again.
We are Outstation!
One day, Mashal and Bhuvan were just chilling outside in the hall at like 2 a.m. And I just came out to get some water in my...
I think we should edit that out because he's a minor. The minor drops the biggest bombs that we can't release only.
But I was wearing clothes though.
तुमसे तो दिन भी अब लगते हैं लम्हे तुमसे तो तारे भी सीखे चमकते
Oh my god, are we doing this? Oh, so sweet. Oh, what is this? Awkward dancing. A song that makes you cry.
There's a song by Anupam Kher called Saiya.
Can you sing it?
That's Kailash Kher.
वो तो कैलाश खेर का गाना है.
Oh!
अनुपम खेर. अरे. Hi everybody, my name is Sakshma Srivastav and I hope that all of you are happy and healthy. My guest today is a 5-member Indian Gen Z boy band. Please welcome the very talented boys of Outstation. Hi guys!
Hi!
We are
Outstation!
Hi, I'm Shayan.
Hi, I'm Korean, and I'm supposed to make everyone laugh.
Then you should laugh a bit, no?
That's the idea.
Hi, I'm Himang, and I basically babysit them.
Hi, I'm Bhuvan.
Hey, I'm Mashal.
Who's from where?
I'm from Hyderabad.
Oh,
I mean, my
biryani
dad.
khilla.
I'm a Mallu kid from Delhi.
Mallu kid.
As UP as it could get.
UP, I'm from UP.
Oh, are you from Kanpur?
Yeah, I was born in Kanpur.
That's
What are you saying?
I've lived in Kanpur for 15 years.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
I'm from Karnataka.
I'm from Goa.
Goa. Perfect. Now, I asked this because that means you guys have moved away from your homes to stay in Mumbai, and I think you guys are staying in one apartment together.
Yeah, correct.
You guys are too young to have lived away from your family yet. I think this must be everybody's first time.
One day, Mashal and Bhuvan were just chilling outside in the hall at like 2 a.m. And I just came out to get some water in my...
I think we should edit that out because he's a...
So, when I first watched this, I did not know why they bleeped out. I was thinking so hard, like, what could it have been? The second time, I think I was getting an idea. I thought it was a curse word. I get it now. It came out in his briefs. I shouldn't say that about a minor. Yeah. But you get the point.
The minor drops the biggest bombs
Yeah.
that we can't release only.
But I was wearing clothes though.
People like musicians, especially pop stars, need to look good. That's just the truth. You have to look
Yes.
good in your photo shoots, your music videos. There's an aesthetic part of it. You're not playback singers. So is there this pressure that now you have to watch what you eat, work out? Is there any stress?
I mean, me and Bhuvan were basically like that before
Yeah.
that also. We were very strict about our diet and all. Korean is jacked, I don't know how, even though he doesn't have a strict diet.
He can eat whatever he wants.
Yeah, he eats like a huge amount of sugar. and
Like my
still-
sister.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hard work
That
makes the
girl
dream work.
is
दिमाग से हार्ड वर्क हो रहा है बस बॉडी तो खा रही है जो
like
खाना है. The
quadruple of what I
tagline of your group is
actually
India's
can consume.
greatest
I'm
boy
not
band.
even
ये
kidding.
किसका आइडिया था?
हमारा
हाँ.
This was our vision.
अभी तो how many groups are there right now in India? One only, right?
there are a few.
So
actually.
you're
There-
already great.
I think I know up to 5
Oh,
or
there's first
4.
five. You're right. You're right.
Yes, there's
So you're
first
greater
5.
than
There's
them.
No, that's not what we're
outstation.
Chill.
There's
We're just saying we want to be the
Mm.
greatest.
It's like
I
the
can't think
greatest
right
Indian
now.
boy band represents on a global scale when we go out to the world, and when they look at us, it's not just the greatest Indian boy band; it should be the greatest,
greatest boy band.
Yeah. Now let's get serious about that. I feel like because of social media and the internet, actually, music is global. Like people are standing people in Korea, in Mexico, America, even if they don't speak the language,
Yes.
music is on one platform and everybody's competing with everybody. A group in India is not an Indian group. You're right up there being compared to the international groups, even if you don't want. So, what is the prep to be able to match that global level?
Basically, we're getting classical training, vocals. We also dance, and we have Western training also.
Okay.
And all of us can play instruments. We're trying to like incorporate more of dancing because none of us were dancers before this. So like our schedules are very packed. Like it's mostly training and then our self practice, and then we practice together as a unit.
You know, we have to like make content and just work on music and stuff like that.
So, who comes up with your social media content ideas?
A team, and like we brainstorm ideas, and
Okay.
we come up with like the best content which like defines us.
Because you guys are very active on social media, you know?
It's quite random, like the ideas that we have.
I was thinking because we've spoken so much about vocals, if you guys could perform something.
We could.
Oh, there's a guitar.
And then they will sing.
I didn't see that.
ये कहानी तेरे बिन है अधूरी लगती है तुमसे ही होगी पूरी जाने दे तुमसे तो दिन भी अब लगते हैं लम्हे तुमसे तो तारे भी सीखे चमक दे राहों से तेरी मिला दे चले तू हाथों में हाथ तुमसे बरसती है बारिश की बूंदें तुमसे तो सूरज भी रातों को छू ले राहों से तेरे मिला दे चाहूं मैं तेरा ही साथ चाहूं मैं तेरा ही साथ
Very beautiful.
That was our debut single, Tumse. So
Yeah.
stream Tumse, guys.
I saw you guys performing this all over. Like, you went to so many venues and did this
Yeah.
live, and there's crowd and everything.
Yeah.
How's the live? I feel like because you said you have no professional training, some of you, and then from that to being thrust on stage with live.
Guys, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like the way she's talking, it's like she undermines them. The questions she asks, they're kind of weird, but I'm not trying to instigate. I don't know if that's just me. It's like she's like, I see you performing everywhere. Like she's surprised they're performing. I like that's what they're supposed to do. They're singers. Excuse you. Anyways,
Audience, how is that switch?
I couldn't sing in front of people because I had like crazy anxiety.
Do you have social anxiety?
Yeah, I do.
guys, you see the expression?
I mean,
It's like,
now it's like all of
Yeah,
them, so
social
it's kind of
anxiety.
dulled down.
Yeah,
But
you
still,
do.
it's like
One speech.
No, I'm very keen. I'm very eager to understand that because for a person who has social anxiety to perform on stage is a very big achievement.
before, like in my past, I used to like vomit and things before going to the stage.
Oh my god!
Yeah, it was
And then
bad.
you would go on stage and perform,
Yeah, still.
and nobody knew about it.
No.
Kudos to you.
Thank
So
you.
like we have this song Aajkal, and he has a specific intro. It's like iconic intro. Like he talks about
Even
how
the
he
fans
was,
know about it.
Can you do that now?
Yes, yes, yes.
I think it needs the music for
I
that.
think let's do it.
Yeah.
Wait, only if you're okay with doing it.
Yeah, he
I
is.
don't
No,
wanna
no,
push
no,
it.
we force it every time.
No, I
They
can't force
force
him.
me
No.
every time. Like, what really?
It's like, what, really? We're doing this, guys?
So you know, I used to be a silent, shy kid growing up with a lot of social anxiety. And I had a talent, which is like the two worst combination to have because you can't really go up to people and sing to them. You can't really show your talent to them. So to battle that, I started slow. I started with 2 people, my mom and my sister, and 3, 4, 10, and slowly a small stage. And now I'm singing in front all of in oh god.
It's okay.
And now I'm singing with like hundreds and thousands of you guys right here. This is what I say when there are like thousands of people in the stage. You know?
That is so nice.
So yeah, it's been a crazy journey. And there's this song called Aajkal, which makes me feel like I don't have any mental problem. I don't have any anxiety. I'm floating in the air. I can sing anything without being nervous. So yeah, have a listen.
Korean is
Love
trying
that.
so hard not to
I'm so
laugh,
happy I
bro.
made you do that.
I don't think he has ever extended the speech so much.
Yeah. Today was crazy confidence.
It's so heart touching. I feel like there's so many people who struggle with these things, but when they look at performers, they look like, oh, I can't be like them. That needs so much confidence. But I guess so many people will look at you and be like, he's just like me.
Yes.
If he's struggling and he can do it, I can do it too. I think that's the most important part about being a role model, to inspire people. Otherwise, why you're there? Why should people support you? Right? Do you think you guys are also competing with Bollywood music now? Because I'll tell you, something I've observed is in Korea, bands are big because their movies don't have songs. Their actors don't dance. Same with Hollywood. You'll never see an actor dancing in a movie. But in India, the biggest of actors are lip syncing or singing and dancing in songs, and their songs are the ones that hit crores. So do you think you are also, you have to be that level now to stand out?
I mean, I don't think we're competing with Bollywood music. I mean, if we honestly got the chance to sing in one of the Bollywood movies, we'd definitely say yes. When we were growing up, we didn't have a lot of Indian artists who were making music specifically for teenagers.
Yes.
We like when I was growing up, like even Cheyenne and Bhuvan, we were huge One Direction fans. So that's what we want to change, you know, for Indian kids and teenagers to grow up on Indian music, which is made in India. Like, great too, actually.
Moving on to the rapid fire. First one.
Yeah.
Who's the best dancer in the group?
I'd say
Korean.
it's between me and Korean.
What do you think? Who's better?
Me.
I think you should share a few moves.
No.
You're the best dancer.
Dance off, dance off. Let's go, dance off.
आना जाना सपनों में तेरा मेरा है मुश्किल नहीं
Korean is so fun.
जब से मेरी आंखें
Oh my god.
You're so
Are we doing
awkward
this?
with each other.
Oh, so sweet. Oh, what is this? I want to twirl. Oh, you want to Awkward dancing. Dream collaboration.
Mine's One Direction.
One Direction. Okay.
I think Bruno Mars.
Freddie Mercury.
Next, who eats the most junk food?
Bro, Mashal eats the most
I think
junk
it'll be
food.
tied between
Mashal
both
eats
of
the
them.
most junk
What
food.
do you like the most?
I like
13
those kettle chips, the jalapeno ones.
Oh yeah, those are nice.
Yeah, actually.
I also like them.
Like the best combination is kettle chips and Red Bull.
And Red Bull. Okay, I'll try
It's
that.
like perfect.
I'll try that. If not in a band, what would you be professionally?
I think
I
I'd
would be in school.
You left your board exams and came here, no?
Yeah.
To sing and dance.
I'm doing open schooling though.
But what about your board?
I gave my 10th grade board exams.
So you didn't give your 12th boards? Oh my god. Okay. What about you?
No.
What would you be?
part-time fighter.
Fighter. Who will you fight?
People.
Just like that?
Yeah.
If you could be in a movie, which actress would you want to perform with? It doesn't have to be like a romantic angle to it. Just any actress you
I
like.
think it's going to be Ananya Pandey.
Okay.
Oh.
I like her.
What think about this one?
कोई भी नहीं अच्छी लगती.
Those are some deep questions.
That's a very deep question. This is a deep question.
Anya Pandey.
Okay. What about you?
Like Kiara Advani.
Ah, she's nice.
Yeah.
Very good actress. What about you?
In Bollywood?
You have a Hollywood crush, no? You wanted to take her name.
You can share.
You would give one Bollywood, one Hollywood. Be happy.
Katrina Kaif?
Katrina Kaif?
I was going to
Ah,
say
yeah.
that.
Everybody
It's
wants to
okay.
work with her. और एक Hollywood भी दे दो.
Zendaya.
Oh.
Dude, I was legit. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even kidding. These were like two.
Zendaya. So same?
Yeah, actually, I'm not even kidding.
Both of them?
Yeah.
Katrina and Zendaya?
Yeah.
A song that makes you cry.
There's a song by Anupam Kher called Saiya.
Can you sing it?
That's Kailash Kher.
वो तो कैलाश खेर का गाना है ना.
हाँ
Oh!
भाई.
There is a reason why your storage is always full.
Just use Boost AI Cleaner. Start the app. Optimize your.
Anupam Kher.
अनुपम खेर. अरे.
One job. I'm so sorry.
I think when I was a kid, I used to listen to this one song, and like every time. So it's a song by Dhinchak Pooja, "Selfie Maine Le Liya Aaj."
That's deep.
I thought we were on to something.
Literally.
इतनी अच्छी एक्टिंग हाँ. आंसू निकल गए.
I'm so sorry.
Selfie.
Wait, I just need 2 minutes.
Are you Please
Don't make him cry.
I'm so sorry.
He's very
I'm
emotional.
a
like
fabulous
that.
singer. When was the last time you cried? Not you. You cried now. Everybody else.
I don't remember.
Who's the most emotional one? Really? I would have.
Korean, I was
That's
good.
sarcastic.
I think it's Mashal.
Huh?
That's the
Oh,
secret
now
behind
we
this.
have something about you.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You're emotional.
Secretly, yes.
He doesn't really like talk about it,
You bottle up your
What do you want
emotions.
to talk about?
but yeah, he does bottle it up.
Is music your vent?
Definitely.
A movie you can never get tired of watching.
Interstellar.
Interstellar. You
Yeah.
understood Interstellar?
Yeah.
कितनी बार देखी?
I mean, I've watched it like 10 times, but it's kind of easy to watch.
10th time में समझ में आने लगा.
नहीं.
या फिर Google पे पढ़ा.
First time only.
हाँ. Very smart. Software engineer. Okay. Thank you guys. I really wish you all the very best.
We
I know
will.
it's not
We're
easy
done.
to be in a group because from what I've gathered, it's a lot of pressure, and the journey is very difficult to show up every day consistently, make good music. Doesn't work. Still keep going. All of that is not easy, and then there's the internet. That's not very nice. The more famous you become, the more brutal they become. So I really hope you all have all of it to go through and through. So all the very best.
Thank you
I
so
mean,
much.
until like you have like good people and you're doing what you love, I don't think it really matters.
That is true. Never lose the unity. A group that breaks from inside cannot survive.
Plus
I don't
it's
think
like-
we can.
You guys also have merchandise. Already, right?
Yeah. We're about to.
Where do I buy that?
It's
I should get
coming
it free
out.
of cost, no?
I think by the videos
Yeah.
come out, I think it's gonna be out.
Shahid's made the dirtiest face
No,
when
no,
I
no,
said I
no,
should
no,
get
no,
it
no,
free.
no,
Why?
no,
You
no,
can't
no,
give it
that's
free
not-
of
You
cost.
should get.
Of course you should get it.
There's a lot
They're
of
looking
clothing
like
items.
siblings, but they're always
There's a lot of
bantering.
clothing items we'll be releasing.
Okay, so it's not out yet, but it
No,
will
no, no.
Yes.
It's going to be out very
It's
soon.
in
When and where? Website?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Website.
So all the very best for your future. I
Thank you
hope
so
we can
much.
keep doing more of these as your journey progresses, and just keep giving us more music. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Yes,
merch.
sir.
And merch.
You'll get it.
I'll see.
I think you should be the first person to get it now.
Yeah.
I'll give it to you like.
It's
first.
already have an
Yeah,
extra.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
There was this one time when we were in Pune, and this girl slapped me to take a picture.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I was taking a picture with everyone, and the girl slapped me. She's like, "Bhaiya, photo le lo."
And what did you do?
Take a picture. What else did I?
Oh my god, oh my god, I hope I finally made a successful video of one of these interviews. Guys, I've been struggling. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Woo! Today, guess what? We have a guest appearance. My sister. Can you even see her? She's here. But for today's video, we're going to be watching Try Not to Laugh Outstation. Whoa, 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 whoa. Guys, this is a 15 minutes long video. Let's get into it. And also, it's already becoming dark, so I'm so scared that it will be dark before I finish this video. Especially because of the lightning. And I also have to film it today because it's so noisy at my workplace. Oh god, guys. Anyways, where's screen recording? It's suddenly come. Okay, I found it. 1, 2, 3.